Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make macarons at home, full guide. Start by sifting almond flour and icing sugar together to ensure a smooth batter. Whip egg whites to soft peaks before gradually adding sugar for glossy meringue. Fold dry ingredients carefully to retain air and achieve the perfect macaronage texture. Pipe rounds onto lined trays, rest until a skin forms, then bake at a steady temperature until feet develop. Measure ingredients precisely and use a kitchen scale for consistent results. Use aged egg whites at room temperature for better stability and volume. Choose superfine almond flour and sift it to remove lumps that cause cracks. A stand mixer helps achieve the right meringue consistency. A silicone mat ensures even baking. Bake trays one at a time if oven heat varies, and rotate trays halfway for uniform color and feet formation. If this guide helps, please subscribe and like to support more baking videos. Quick recommendation: the product seen here is the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for reading recipes during kitchen breaks. It pairs hilariously with tea breaks and keeps recipe notes handy when your hands are messy. Check the description for the link and other deals to learn more. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Prepare fillings like buttercream or ganache, chilling them to pipe neat centers. Match filling firmness to macaron shell texture to avoid soggy or hard bites. If shells crack, adjust oven temperature and check meringue stiffness. If feet fail to form, allow longer resting time for a proper skin before baking. Store filled macarons in an airtight container in the refrigerator to mature flavors overnight before serving. Enjoy practicing, and note that patience improves results every batch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.